Okay, so I just spent the night at the Aventura Hotel, and I just wanted to show you the iPad system, tablet system that they have here. So you can click at the bottom, it says theme park hours. So for today, it tells you what the hours are. So let's X that out. Now, room controls. Okay, so lights. So you can see this little light is on right there. So you can press a reading lamp and it's supposed to turn it off, but it didn't. And vestibule is that area. So let me turn it back. Nope, vestibule is the hallway. So, and so you can't turn this light off that way. You have to turn it off right here, I think. Okay. Something that was annoying. Well, I'll just get to that later. So let's go back. And this does come off. And it has a charging station, which I'm sure they're going to have a problem with that. TV and media. So you can turn on the TV. If you hit television, it comes up with all these stations. Let's go back. So I actually did Netflix. Okay, so somehow I turned on the TV just now. And it's on that Universal channel. It just has Universal information. But I did turn on Netflix last night, and it does automatically log you out. Or maybe it doesn't. Let's see. Yes, it logged me out. So you don't have to worry about that. So let's go back to home. Okay, so room controls, temperature. You can set your temperature. It has Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can set your fan to lower. Let's see. Okay, so it just clicked on. The AC just clicked on. Dining. In-room dining. So, you know, there's your room service menu. Let's go back. And resort dining. So it has all the places that are here, as well as restaurants that are around. So let's click on Mythos. So it doesn't give you a way to make reservations that I can find. Services. So you can set an alarm, request items, vacation planning center, car rental. So request items. You can request a lot of different items on here. Internet and tools. So internet. So it's got this on here, and I guess you can click up here and, you know, surf the internet with this tablet, and then chat with us. So there's your little preview of the tablet service with the Adventura. Just on a little note, in my room tour video, I showed that there are outlets right here, and USB ports. So the outlets do not work at night. There's this light that shines up from the headboard, and you have to flip this switch to turn it off. And the USB ports still work, but the outlets do not. So I had to unplug stuff from under there to plug in had extra things that needed to be plugged in. So just keep that in mind. So if you're someone who's not very internet savvy or doesn't like all the modern stuff, this might not be the hotel for you to stay in, because it was a little bit annoying trying to figure everything out. Now that I've figured everything out, it would be fine, but I just don't know if everyone will like it. And the shower curtain is too short, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's water all over the floor from my shower. So anyway, of course the toilet, the sink works normal, luckily. So I didn't use the safe, so I can't say how that went, but it was a comfortable room, very comfortable bed, very good pillows. It's the kind of bedding that I do like. So sorry the bed's not made, but I slept in it, so I just wanted to show you that. I didn't try pulling out the sofa to see how that is, but the great thing about it is that it's on site. You can take a bus, or you can take the garden path, which I will have a video on taking the garden path all the way into the theme park. And you can walk from each hotel in Volcano Bay. You can walk everywhere at Universal Orlando, as long as the weather's nice. So thanks for watching.